What's going on today, guys? Rainy day here in Nova Scotia. So we took the resonator and the muffler off of the 540i. I can't say that I'm happy with the sound. I like stuff being loud, and this didn't quite do it for me, so we're gonna haul it in and give it another overgo. But for now, I just figured you guys would like to hear what it sounds like with a piece of 3-inch straight pipe behind the cats, no resonator. So here you are. I personally don't really care for it. It sounds more like a 6-cylinder than a V8. So anyway, here's the video, here's the sound clip. You guys can tell me what you think. And there's going to be some more modification in the very near future. This is a 540i with the muffler delete and the resonator delete. Still has the cats. She's going back to the shop right now and we're going to get rid of them. She sounds pretty mint.